You continue to call this an assassination attempt, and you say you had evidence that this was going to happen beforehand, and you say now that you want an independent investigation. I just do wonder what information you were given and from whom to support those allegations.
So number one, Becky, on 24th of September, there is my public speech where I exactly, as the events unfolded, they are in that speech. How this would happen, how religious, in the name of blasphemy, a religious fanatic would kill me and then they would blame it on him. All this is in my speech, which I put on television, it's on social media. Secondly, remember 3.5 years I was in power. I have connections with intelligence agencies, the different agencies that operate. How did I get the information? From within the intelligence agencies. Why? Because most people are appalled by what is going on in this country. What is happening in Pakistan is unprecedented. I was in General Musharraf's martial law. I was put in jail during his time. Never did we see the sort of oppression that is going on right now in Pakistan never happened even in Musharraf's martial law.